So the idea we worked on today is being very intentional with what you are dancing outwardly. So when people are watching you, they can tell kind of what you're trying to say when you're dancing. And it was as simple as we kind of got together in little groups and each person took some time to do a move. And I asked you to, again, do simple moves that you know really well, classic moves with a name. So for example, somebody does this, it's a boogie drop, and the other person, their partner in the solo jazz dancing, is like, okay, I see you, I can follow you on this adventure. And then we switched, and we did this little thing in partnerships of 2 or 4, and so on. And then we added the idea of doing that while changing timing and kind of like shape and direction of moves too. This is where it became a little bit more challenging. So for example, if I have this, I'm like very clear doing it this way, but if for example I decided to do this, you need to be super clear about what you're trying to do, how you are trying to modify your move, so other people can see that and follow that. This is what